Twice this summer in Philadelphia, water gushed from broken pipes, soaking cars, eroding streets, and forcing people from their homes. It's the same thing that happened near UCLA's campus in Los Angeles last year. The massive pipes and water mains that run beneath cities and deliver clean drinking water are getting old and fragile.
A lot of the infrastructure was put in the mid-19th century and through about 100 years thereafter. So a lot of the pipes across the United States are simply reaching the end of their useful lives.
Keeping water infrastructure working is expensive. The Environmental Protection Agency estimates the right maintenance could cost the nation's utilities $384 billion over the next 20 years.
And unfortunately, we have a tendency to run things to fail in this country in terms of infrastructure.
Des Moines Waterworks and other utilities in the agricultural heartland face an additional challenge. Fertilizers flow from farms into this river, which provides drinking water to 500,000 people in central Iowa.
When there's high nitrate concentrations in, we have to denitrify it, an extra and expensive step.
So utilities have to raise water rates to pay for essential repairs, like replacing this fire hydrant and treating contaminants.
The water bills are going to go up. There's no doubt about it.
In some parts of the country, reliable water supplies aren't as cheap and dependable as they used to be.
We only get about 13 inches of rainfall per year.
Even before drought descended on California, some utilities were trying to innovate their way out of the supply problem. The Orange County Water District is cleaning wastewater and letting it filter into the ground to replenish aquifers.
We need to find sources of supply for our groundwater basins so that we can then pump it out of the ground and use it as a source of potable supply.
After intensive treatment and a few years underground, toilet water is ready for the tap.
Cheers.
Near San Diego, there's another first for the U.S. Poseidon Water is about to open a desalination plant that will supply 50 million gallons of drinking water daily.
For every 2 gallons that go in, we get 1 gallon of fresh water and 1 gallon of extra salty seawater.
With less snowmelt flowing down from the mountains of Northern California, utilities are desperate for alternatives.
It's like an insurance policy. If all the other ones dry up because we're not getting enough rain or snow, we'll always have this source of Pacific Ocean that we can fall back to.
It's one of a growing number of new strategies in a high-stakes gambit to keep a thirsty nation from running out of water to drink. Raquel Maria Dillon, The Associated Press, Los Angeles.